Good morning. It's Thursday, February 9th, 2023. This is your Georgia WeatherNet morning update. Rain is on the way, and it's going to be sticking around for a while. It's been slow to get here, so that means it's going to be slow to exit. We see these showers in northwest Georgia. A few thunderstorms beginning to move into LaGrange, just above Columbus. So west metro Atlanta, Villa Rica, around the Six Flags, going to be seeing those showers here over the next little bit, and we'll be continuing through the morning hours and then into the afternoon hours. This continues to push our direction. Temperatures are on the mild side this morning. Once again, the warmer air is closer to the edge of the front, so that's why we see some 60s in northwest Georgia. Atlanta Airport's at 61, and then even mild on down into southeast Georgia as well with those mid-50s and showing some 60s along the coastline. So that warm air is going to help fire up a few thunderstorms today. So we do have a severe weather risk down in southwest Georgia. Albany is right here, and then we get down toward Lake Seminole, Bainbridge, Cairo in there, and this level 1 out of 5 risk taking us right to I-75. General thunderstorm risk for the rest of the state of Georgia. And then for tomorrow, this spreads out still over the same area and then extending up to the east, out toward the coastline, Statesboro in there as well. And here's our general thunderstorm risk staying below I-20. So most of this is going to be pushing on down into southeast Georgia by tomorrow and then just lingering there. And because of that lingering rain, it's going to really add up. Here are our rainfall estimates through Sunday morning, looking at around 5 inches of rain. How about that? Around Statesboro up into the CSRA. So this is going to be a lot of rainfall here, so flooding is going to be a concern. Even looking at close to 2 inches of rain around metro Atlanta. Again, this is through Sunday. This isn't going to be all at once, but this is going to add up. So we're going to keep an eye on some flooding, especially in South Georgia and into southeast Georgia and toward the coastline. So as we go through the morning hours, there's the band of rain right there, right on cue. This continues to push into metro Atlanta. Very breezy up in northwest Georgia as well today. Those clouds increasing in all of South Georgia. And that line of showers looks like it's trying to fade out, and it kind of does. But we're going to see a few showers and thunderstorms still popping up there. Moving through the afternoon hours, here's another little band here, and you can see a little more cellular, so we could get a bit more thunderstorm activity out of this. More steady rain in southwest Georgia through this afternoon. There are those thunderstorms continuing to stretch through metro Atlanta down to Columbus by 5 o'clock this afternoon. 6, 7 o'clock, same kind of deal. This is just very, it's moving so slowly, right? This is such a slow mover, but not really widespread yet, but that's going to change. We move through the evening and overnight hours. The showers are still there. Starting out tomorrow morning, look at this spreading out. So we're looking at rain south of I-20 throughout all of middle Georgia, South Georgia, thunderstorms in here as well. And then as we head into Friday afternoon, we have more rain, more thunderstorms. At center of that low is not going to move very much as well. It just stays right here in South Georgia. And that's going to help circulate more of that moisture up from the Atlantic Ocean. And that's just going to keep feeding the system and providing a lot more rain, especially for South Georgia. Heading into Saturday, rain still there. We have colder air on the north side. That's going to kick a few snow flurries up in Blairsville and Hiawassee, even down into Cleveland. So look out for that. That's just still going to be a lingering threat as we head into Saturday late afternoon and Saturday evening. And still a lot more rain left to go in middle and South Georgia through Saturday. This system is completely stalled out and is just sitting there, and is really going to be here through Sunday and finally clearing out by Sunday evening. And then Monday looks really good with drier air, lots of sunshine, but we have to get through this weekend and all of this rain first. That's your morning weather update from the Georgia WeatherNet. Of course, we'll keep you up to date with any severe weather warnings throughout the day for parts of South Georgia and tomorrow as well. Here's your local forecast now from northwest Georgia to southeast Georgia.
News.